match day number 3 of the football proceedings for the entire 90 minutes into this best of the action. Coming you down to the ball, coming to this beautiful this gate. The 3 points and of course of Makerere University Football Club, 2 captains. That is Joseph Club. It's 10 a.m. Nambozo, Patricia, brought in by Nambozo. Good ball and the header of the opening. Nambozo, Patricia, brought in by Nambozo. Good ball and the header of the opening goal here for Patricia, brought in by Nambozo. Good ball and the header of the opening goal here for Makerere University Women Football Club, scored by the captain Josephine Ndagire. Just to brought in by Nambozo and punched by Kaido Sharon. Record Kampala Queens are having over this Shimak team. Nasazi inside that penalty area tries to launch in that ball. Oh! And Kampala Queens Football Club just survived. Zaitun Namaganda, could be a challenge into the face of the play. Zaitun Namaganda, could be a challenge into the face of the Queens by 1-0. Chance for Kampala Queens Football Club. It's a challenge. Kampala Queens by 1-0. Chance for Kampala Queens Football Club. Entrance. Oja. Namaganda carry the player down. So ball launched into the box. University connection to against one. Kamiat Naigaga beats one Makerere defender. A moment for Kampala Queens. University connection to against one. Kamiat Naigaga beats one Makerere defender. A moment for Kampala Queens. That throw was coming in from a Kampala Queens Football Club. Look for those wide areas. Touch coming in from Nasazi Allen. Halima Kampi now drops one to the back post and punched by the goalkeeper Kaidu. This is Namaganda Zaitun. First touch controlled by Juanita Nembabazi. Looking into a nearby support. A moment here for Kampala Queens and they get that equalizing goal. Kampi, Namido, Halima Kampi, Halima goes well. Halima into that box. Ball denied. Referee it into play. Kamiat Naigaga lays it. Kampala Queens ball control and a shot from Esther Namosoke. Juanita Nembabazi. It's a moment here for Kampala Queens Football Club. Kamiat Naigaga. Juanita Naigaga. Good save. Does well. Brought in by Noelin. Namida Noelin. Good ball to the back post, off the post. And the rebound. Namida Noelin. Good ball to the back post, off the post. And the rebound. Just raised over the bar there from Jumba. Kamiat. Naigaga makes her way. And again, Kamiat! Kamiat. Naigaga makes her way. And again, Kamiat! Naigaga makes her way. And again, Kamiat! And it's all the 3 points for Kampala Queens Football Club. Late winner coming in from Kamiat Naigaga, meaning business.